Tired of juggling a million loyalty cards? Frustrated with complicated reward systems? You're not alone. Imagine a world where all your rewards are in one place, easily accessible on your phone. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is called Favepay. But what exactly is Favepay? And how can it actually save you money? Let's dive in. Favepay is a revolutionary all-in-one rewards and payment app designed to simplify your everyday spending. Think of it as your digital wallet, loyalty card, and rewards program all rolled into one. Here's the magic. Effortless rewards. Connect your credit or debit cards to Favepay and instantly earn rewards at thousands of participating merchants across Singapore. Exclusive deals. Discover exclusive deals and discounts from dining and shopping to entertainment and travel. Personalized recommendations. Favepay learns your spending habits and recommends relevant deals and offers tailored to your interests. Cashless payments. Seamlessly pay for your purchases using Favepay at supported merchants with just a few taps. Easy tracking. Track your rewards, manage your spending, and monitor your savings all in one convenient place. But wait, there's more. Favepay offers a range of exciting features to enhance your spending experience. Favepay Plus. Upgrade to Favepay Plus for exclusive perks like higher cashback rates, priority access to deals, and birthday surprises. Fave Rewards. Earn Fave Rewards points with every purchase and redeem them for exciting rewards like vouchers, merchandise, and even travel experiences. Refer a friend. Invite your friends to join Favepay and earn rewards for every successful referral. Let's break down how Favepay can save you real money. Cashback on everyday purchases. Earn cashback on groceries, dining, transportation, and more. Exclusive discounts. Enjoy exclusive discounts at popular brands and local businesses. Early access to sales. Be the first to know about upcoming sales and promotions. Avoid hidden fees. Say goodbye to service charges and transaction fees. Still not convinced? Here's what real Favepay users are saying. Favepay has become my go-to app for all my daily spending. I'm saving so much money on groceries and dining. The exclusive deals and personalized recommendations are amazing. I always find something new to try. Favepay is so easy to use. I love that I can track my rewards and manage my spending in one place. Ready to experience the Favepay revolution? Download the Favepay app today from the App Store or Google Play Store. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.